Do you often feel stiffness or pain when getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or simply moving around? Many Americans aged 40 to 60 experience discomfort due to tight hip flexors, impacting their daily lives and overall mobility. Prolonged sitting, a common habit in our modern world, is a major culprit, shortening these crucial muscles and leading to poor posture and back pain. When hip flexors become tight, they pull your pelvis forward, creating an anterior pelvic tilt that can strain your lower back and affect your gait. But don't worry, improving your hip mobility and relieving this tightness is entirely possible with a few targeted stretches and exercises. Let's start with the couch stretch, an excellent way to lengthen your hip flexors effectively. Position yourself with one knee on the floor, shin against a wall or couch, and the other foot flat on the ground in front of you. Gently lean forward, keeping your core engaged and your back straight, feeling the stretch in the front of your hip. Hold this position for 30 seconds on each side, breathing deeply to relax into the stretch. Next, we have the kneeling hip flexor stretch, a foundational movement for improving hip extension. From a kneeling position, step 1 foot forward so your knee is directly above your ankle. Gently push your hips forward, keeping your torso upright, until you feel a stretch in the front of your back hip. Hold for 30 seconds on each side, ensuring your core remains tight to protect your lower back. Now let's move on to strengthening exercises that complement these stretches, starting with hip bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor hip width apart, and arms by your sides. Engage your glutes and lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold briefly at the top, then slowly lower your hips back down. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. Next, we'll strengthen your outer hips with clamshells, crucial for hip stability. Lie on your side with your knees bent at a 45-degree angle and stacked, keeping your hips stacked directly on top of each other. Keeping your feet together, lift your top knee towards the ceiling, engaging your glutes. Slowly lower your knee back down. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. For desk workers, a quick mobility routine can make a huge difference throughout your day. Try seated hip circles. While sitting, lift one foot slightly and rotate your knee in small circles, both clockwise and counterclockwise. Another great option is seated figure 4 stretch. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee and gently lean forward. Hold each for 20 to 30 seconds per side. These quick movements can prevent stiffness from setting in. Want to know how your hip mobility truly stacks up? Here's a simple at-home test. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Bring one knee towards your chest, grasping it with both hands. If your opposite leg lifts off the floor, it indicates tightness in your hip flexors. Repeat on the other side. This test provides a clear picture of your current hip mobility. Incorporating these stretches and exercises into your routine can significantly improve your hip mobility and reduce discomfort. To help you stay on track, we've created a free hip mobility checklist. Download it today to easily integrate these beneficial movements into your daily life. Start your journey to better hip health and a more active, pain-free life now.